What's going on today, everybody? My name is Eric Bland. Thank you guys so much for subscribing. I really appreciate it. The channel is growing, just hit 3,000 subscribers, so thank you so much. If you guys haven't subscribed, just go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Shows YouTube that we're just good people, and we'll be making more videos. I found this in the trash. Let's see if it works right after this.
I'm gonna show you how great I am.
5, 4, 3, 2.
Welcome back. All right, guys, so I got this Toro. When I pulled it out, I'm thinking, hey, Toro's a good brand, right? This is the Super Blow Vac. It's got an on-off switch. Looks like it's not been taken care of, so it probably doesn't work. Let's take the tape off and see why the tape's there. A lot of people don't want to have that blow off, so maybe that's been blown off on the person. I don't know, it seems to clamp in there pretty good. But I guess duct tape is what everybody puts on there. This says lock. All right. And unlock. They had it on. I wonder if what that specifically. Let's see. All right, let's take this battery tender off of the bike. Let's unplug it. Let's use this. The plugins look good. Found this in the trash. Let's turn the on switch. All right, now that we know it works, let's go ahead and clean it up a bit.